So we want to look at this question. This is a question on complex number. And if you want to solve this kind of question, you rationalize. So as if you're solving question on sort, because actually it is sort. Because high here is equal to the square root of -1. And if you square the both side, you're going to have I squared equals to -1. And if you square the both side again, you're going to have I raised to the power 4 equals to 1. Equals to 1. And so let's start. Here we are going to have 3 minus I over 2 plus I equals to, we multiply both numerator and denominator by 2 minus I. Here we are going to have 3 minus I times 2 minus I over 2 plus I times 2 minus I. So here now we are going to expand. So here we have 3 times 2, we are going to have 6, and 3 times minus I, we are going to have minus 3I. Then minus I times 2, we are going to have minus 2I. And here minus I times minus I, we are going to have plus I squared. So which is over, here this is difference of two squares. So 2 times 2, we are going to have 4. And then minus will be there. Then I times I, which is going to be minus I. So we are going to have minus I squared. So the next thing is to simplify. So here we are going to have 6 here. Let's write again. We have 6 minus 3I minus 2I. We're going to have minus 5I. And then here we are going to have plus what? Plus I squared over, here we are going to have 4 minus what? I squared. So the next thing is to deal with the I squared. So here we are going to have 6 minus 5I then plus, here remember that this is going to be what? Minus 1. This is going to be minus 1. I squared is what? Minus 1. So over, here we're going to have 4 minus, again we have what? Minus 1 here. So which is equals to, if you come down here, we are going to have 6 minus 5I minus 1 over, here we are going to have 4 plus 1. So which turns to, so in this place now we have 6 minus 1, which is what? Which is 5 minus what? Minus 5I over, here we have what? We have 5. So as 5 is common, we bring 5 out. That's going to be 5 open bracket 1 minus what? Minus I over what? Over 5. So and 5 cancel 5 here. Here our final answer is going to be 1 minus what? 1 minus I. Yeah, thank you.